Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide the login URL on your WordPress website. So this is a great way to add an extra layer of security to keep out bots and hackers. So what is the login URL? Normally to log into your WordPress backend, you type something like WP admin after your website address. But if everyone knows this, it's easy for hackers to try to get in. By changing this URL, we make it harder for them. So let's change it. I will be using a plugin to do this, so I will show you how to add a plugin of hiding your login URL. So go to the plugin and click add new. Now search for the plugin WPS Hide Login. So it's a free and easy to use. Install and activate this plugin. Once activated, go to the settings and look for the WPS Hide Login settings. You will see a field called login URL where you can change WP admin to the something unique. So I will change it to the work admin. And now I click save. Now open your website in a private or incognito window. If you try the old URL WP admin, it should show an error page, meaning it's hidden. But if you type in new URL like work admin, you will be able to access the login page. And that's it. You have successfully hidden the default login URL, making it a bit safer for your website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.